Hello. This is a brief training for the ACT Aspire test supervisors. The ACT Aspire test, as you know, will include 9th and 10th grade students, November 5th through the 7th. Accommodated students will begin testing on the 5th and may go through November 14th. We will have an accommodated schedule all 3 of these first days. Testing will begin at 8:10 and go through 10:20. This is a change from last year as we received feedback about how much extra time we may need at the end of testing to ensure that all staff can return their test kits to B211. We ask that prior to each test session, supervisors pick their testing kits up in B211 between 7:30 and 7:45 a.m. Upon completion of your test session, please return your test kit to B211 at 10:30 a.m. The vast majority of you acting as test supervisors will be testing your advisory groups in your classrooms. For those of you who do not have a room appropriate for testing, we've identified and assigned you to be elsewhere. Please refer to the Google Doc that was sent to you earlier last week with those specific locations. There will be a lot of support for you in regards to the technology and test completion for students in your rooms. This is an all-hands-on-deck type of environment. We will have tech support located throughout the building. Support for students and supervisors will be located in hallways throughout the building. If you have any specific needs, please contact us at 5118 and we'll dispatch someone to your room. Seeing that these tests are administered on iPads, we are working to ensure that we have extra chargers in every room. We are also working on extra iPads, and yet we're not sure that we'll have enough for each room. Please call 5118 if you need one. The test is broken into 5 sessions: English, math, reading, science, and writing. Each of these test sessions will come with a ticket for each student. Please know that in your testing kit that you pick up in B211, you will receive Post-it notes with student names on them for you to assign student seats. Each testing ticket is color-coded and student-specific. Pass those testing tickets out to students as you did lay out their specific assigned seats. During the last 5 minutes of each test session, pass out the next testing ticket to the students in your room. Upon arrival of your students, they will find their own assigned testing seats. Students who bring their backpacks or cell phones are to take those backpacks and place them in the front of the room and turn off their cell phones and put them into their backpacks. Room supervisors will read the instructions and pass out the test session testing tickets for each student and monitor the ACT Aspire test session and dashboard. Students will be released each day at 10:20 a.m. and they will head to their first hour class. Please make sure that you have all testing tickets before you release the students. As an ACT Aspire supervisor, you will act as a lead member of the testing room. You will restart tests when students pause their testing. You will please look for an email to log into the ACT Aspire Pearson page. So you know you all have a login and have been sent this information. Please take the time to ensure that you take care of this prior to Tuesday. If you have any login issues, please take the time to log into this page here. If there are any issues, contact Katrina Saylor or John Frankie as soon as possible, as it's your responsibility to ensure that this is taken care of prior to the test session on Tuesday. When you log on to the test day session, which I shared the link with you 2 slides ago, please know that you will find your own specific test session. You can look your specific name up. If you would have been able to attend the earlier trainings in person, we would have shown you where to click, but it genuinely just says test session. You will find the drop-down menu and your name will appear and go to that test session. Also know that there are 6 testing status: ready, active, exited, resumed, submitted, force closed. The only 2 that you need to be concerned about is exited or resumed. Please don't worry. You'll be provided a detailed instruction list of what to do in your testing kit. There will be tech support available and us testing folk to support you if necessary. Just call 5118. Please know that we've shared this information with our students and family via advisory, email and Blackboard messages, letters that were mailed out October 11th, our school website, our high school newsletter, and through you, the teachers and advisors, to ensure that this is the best experience possible for our students. If you have any specific questions, please do not hesitate to ask. Reach out to myself or Katrina. We thank you very much for your support in supervising these advisory groups. I know that it's not exactly what you want to do, but I also know that you're committed to doing what's great for our kids. So thank you.